Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you about how to create a connection in TCP IP protocol. But before doing that, I have to tell you a little bit about TCP protocol. Let's go. Okay, I prepare some slides to tell you about that. First, you have to come to the overview of TCP protocol. The TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, and it's based on the client-server module, and it a little bit differs with the 7-layer OSI because it only has 4 layers. Okay, and there are application layer, transport layer, network layer, and physical layer. If you want to find more information about this protocol, you have to come to the internet, and we show you a little bit. There are a lot of information in the internet. Here you can search TCP IP overview and see here the TCP IP concept and how it works and what and how many layers in TCP IP module, pros and cons, and so on. Okay, and here you can see the difference between OSI module and TCP IP module. In OSI, you have 3 layers, 7 layers, and in TCP IP module, you have 4 layers. Okay, application, we focus more to application layer because all application you are using in internet is based from that layer, like UAP, HTTP, HTTP, or something like that. Okay, so next we have to guess we have to get some information about the client and server role in this protocol. Come to the next slide. In client role, it has to create socket, connect to server address, and waiting for server acceptance. And after that, after get the acceptance, you can transfer that data to server and receive the data from server. That for client role, and in the server role you have to do the same thing, create socket by IP address and port to socket. This array and port you have it should be the same in server role, and after that you have to server will listen to any connections from the other node, and if the server want to communicate with any clients, it has to accept the connection from the other, and otherwise it will deny. Okay, to help you get more understanding about TCP IP, I will do an simple example for you by Python. Okay, let's go to that. We have to create a folder here, TCP IP example. Here you can use any editors to do your code, but I'm using by chance. It's very helpful if you code Python. I think so because it recommend you a lot of things if you don't familiar with this language. Okay, let's create a firewall client.py and the other server py. Okay, what I said before that in the server role, you have to create a socket, but before that, you have to use this library and create a socket. It stands for IPv4. If you use IPv6, you have to use the other things. Okay, let me see. Here I know 6, but I only use the IPv4, version 4, so you, yep, I know. And that you have to provide the TCP or UDP protocol. Here I use the TCP, so I use the source stream for the parameter. Okay. Uh, so REST IP because I use the client and server in the same machine, so I have to use the loopback IP for this one. 8000. Okay. The next step after creating the port, you have to buy this port to this socket, and after that listen to any connection from sorry. Okay. Like two. Accept. Okay. If any client connects to server, you have to accept the connection if you want to communicate. And after that, try to receive some finally close. Okay. Data receive. Here you can specify how many bytes you want to receive from client. After that, you print out data. Also print out data. Okay. Like a string. Yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's work. And into client side, you have to do the same thing. Also can and server address server.py server import server address, create socket, sockets, IPv4 socket, TCP, connect, right? Server address, okay. Try cloud connection and it's close, right? Oh, okay. Data input data to server, channel data 8. Yep, convert to bytes. Okay, let's see how does it work. Okay, okay. Yeah, you have to run. Let's open PowerShell here and server first. Okay, it's waiting for connection from client. Oh, let me try one more thing. Should let me try one more thing. Okay. After that, have to print out connect the two right. Yes, you have to turn here you run server, the other you run client. Oh, host port, right. Host port, right. Okay, okay. Now you can see in the server side you show you ping out the client connected to the server. Here it's the loop IP and here is the port. Client port. Okay, let's send something to sorry. Yes. Something to server ABC. Okay. C. Yes, ping out ABC, but server side. Okay, let's not need it. Okay. Run it again. Server client. See. Okay, yes. Good. Okay, you got it. Here is an example, simple example to create a connection, send data via TCP protocol, right? Oh, okay. So one more thing I want to tell you that in TCP IP protocol, it has three ways handshake between client and server. And now to understand it, we have to use one shot to capture the loopback IP, capture the packet of loopback IP to see what we are understand it correct or not. Cloud connection. Okay, terminate it. Stop. Open again and cell here. Okay. Start capturing. Let's see. That server. Yeah, client. Okay, send data and close. Okay. First, first three packet is the three-way of handshake between client and server. First, you can see client will send the same packet to server to request the connection, and after that, if server accept the connection, it will send back the same ACK package, ACK version package, and if the client receives this packet, it will send back the ACK package to confirm the connection, and after that, the connection is established. And the next one is the push package. Push packet means the packet to set data between client and server. Okay, let's see the data of the push package. You can see city1, city2, city4. That means A, B, and D. You can get this information in the ASCII table. You can set it in the internet. But to understand more about the three-way handshake, you can come to the internet and search. Okay. Oh, not here. Three ways handshake module. Okay. As I said before, client will send the same package, and after that, server will acknowledge for the same package. And the last package is the acknowledge package from client, and after three ways the connection is established. Okay, got it. I think you can use this protocol to your application like UIP or some IP in the embedded system, or the other thing if you want. Okay, please subscribe my channel to see more tip and more basic knowledge I think is necessary for you to get a job or to do in the future. I think so. So goodbye. See you next time. Thank you very much for your watching.